Page 325, this is the improvisation lesson at the bottom of the page. Here they're giving us the chord symbols, and we get to make up a melody to go with those chord symbols. And they're suggesting a rhythm, but you don't have to use that. First, let's make sure we understand what the chord symbols are. And we are in D Dorian, so it's going to sound a little different. That's all right. I'm just going to follow what the chord sounds like. So first we have a D minor chord. Now D Dorian, remember D Dorian in this case is all white keys. So we're just going to use white keys here. Because remember Dorian, we take two sharps away. And D major has two sharps in it. We simply take them both away. That's all this is. So D minor, C, basically we're using the chords in C major. But how confused do you want to get? D minor, C, D minor, D minor. And I think we can use inversions if we want to. So I don't have to move the hand rack. Go C here. D minor and then G, I go here. So I don't have to have this like 4 chord there. Okay, now make up a melody uses this stuff. I'll just do the same melody I did before. And it's 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the next last measure, I put a C in there. It's not in the chord. It's a neighbor note. You can use neighbor notes and passing notes and the other thing in your melodies. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. But they're suggesting a oop chuck chuck. How about we're using triads, do that. I don't know, experiment with different patterns here. You're getting a little more comfortable at reading the chord names and knowing where they are and moving around. And I'm using inversions in some cases if I don't want to. It's just an experiment.